Have you ever wondered what it would be like to travel through time? Just imagine, one moment you're sipping coffee in the 21st century, and the next, you're watching the pyramids being built. Time travel, an intriguing concept that has captivated humans for centuries, is more than just a sci-fi trope. It's an intellectual rabbit hole that has us questioning our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It's the allure of the unknown, the promise of untapped knowledge, and the thrill of potential adventure. It's the stuff of legends, from H.G. Wells' Time Machine to Doctor Who's TARDIS. These popular culture references have not only entertained us, but also shaped our perceptions of time travel. They've made us question, dream, and even fear the concept. But what if time travel wasn't just a plot device or a fantastical dream? Imagine the possibilities if time travel was not just a figment of our imagination, but a reality. Picture this: you stumble upon a time machine, a device that can transport you to any point in time. Imagine, 1 minute you're in the year 2024, and the next, you're in the swinging 60s, surrounded by the Beatles' mania or witnessing Martin Luther King Jr.'s iconic "I Have a Dream" speech. You could experience the Roaring '20s, the Wild West, or even the age of the dinosaurs. The past is no longer a mere record in a history book, but a living, breathing reality you can touch, smell, and feel. Now let's turn the dial forward. Suddenly, you're in the future. Maybe it's a utopia with flying cars and colonies on Mars, or perhaps a dystopia where artificial intelligence has taken over. You could witness technological advancements that are beyond our wildest dreams, or see the impacts of climate change firsthand. The future is uncertain, thrilling, and a little bit scary. But time travel isn't all fun and games. There's a thing called the butterfly effect. It's the idea that even the smallest action can have huge consequences over time. So if you step on a butterfly in the prehistoric era, you might return to a present where humans never evolved. Yikes! And then there are paradoxes. Ever heard of the grandfather paradox? It's the scenario where you travel back in time and accidentally prevent your grandparents from meeting, thus preventing your birth. But if you were never born, how could you have traveled back in time in the first place? It's a mind-bending loop that can make your head spin. Time travel is a tantalizing concept, filled with endless possibilities and paradoxes. It lets us dream of exploring the past and the future, but it also comes with a warning. We must tread carefully, for our actions could alter the course of history. Now that we've taken a journey through time, let's delve into the science behind it. Time travel isn't just the stuff of science fiction, it's a subject that scientists have seriously pondered over. Now let's take a whirlwind tour of some mind-bending theories that make time travel a tantalizing possibility. First up, we have wormholes. Imagine if the universe was an apple, and you were a tiny worm trying to get from one side to the other. Instead of crawling all the way around, you could just bore a tunnel straight through the middle. That's basically what a wormhole is. They're shortcuts through the fabric of space and time, and could potentially allow us to zip across the universe or even travel into the past or future. Next, we have black holes. These are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. So, hypothetically, if you could survive a trip into a black hole, you might emerge in a different time altogether. Lastly, let's not forget about the theory of relativity itself. This groundbreaking theory suggests that time is not absolute but relative, and can be affected by speed and gravity. In theory, if you were to travel at near light speeds, time would slow down for you relative to the rest of the universe. While time travel remains a fascinating concept, the reality might be more complex than we can imagine. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the concept of time travel, from science fiction to scientific theory. We've explored the imaginary corridors of time, pondered the potential ripples of actions in the past, and marveled at the scientific theories that make this fantastic journey conceivable. In this cosmic dance of time and space, we remain intrigued, curious, and forever dreamers. While we may not be hopping into a time machine anytime soon, the concept of time travel continues to captivate our imagination and inspire us to dream about the possibilities of the future.